sing about colors. Red is for apple, shiny and bright. Blue is the sky in the morning light. Green is for grass, where puppies will slay. Yellow is the sun in the middle of the day. Colors, colors, bright and new. Learn the colors 1, 2, 3 with you. Colors, colors, fun to say. Sing them out throughout your day. Orange is carrot, crunchy and sweet. Purple is grapes, a fun snack to eat. Pink is a flower, soft and small. Brown is the puppy, the cutest of all. White is for clouds, floating so high. Black is the night, with stars in the skies in the sky. Colors, colors, bright and new. Learn the colors 1, 2, 3 with you. Colors, colors, fun to say. Sing them loud throughout your day. All for singing colors with me. See you next time for more fun and glee.